Hey Amazon shoppers, this is do a really quick review of this Moonneon Pet Precision Trimmer Kit that I got recently on Amazon. I just want to do a quick unboxing, explain some of the features of it, talk about more of the use cases that have to do with the trimmer kit, and yeah, just have a chat about it. Now, first, just looking at the box, I think it's very nice. You got the little puppy right here, battery pack charging. If you looked at the side right here, there's a couple features that are like mostly noted. Professional graded blades. I'm pretty sure it comes with the blade, one pre-installed and then one extra blade. Has long endurance, a very strong motor, and wide application range. If you look what's actually inside the box, there's a lot of things to go over. So first of all, you have the trimmer, and it feels very nice, feels very high quality, has a good hand feel. I'm pretty sure this trimmer is IP68 waterproof. It has that sort of waterproof grade to it, so you could put this on while like giving your dog a bath, and you can trim while doing the bath, or if this ever gets wet, not really going to be an issue. If you do turn it on, it will automatically start going, and there's a little UI right here to indicate the kind of like the status of the trimmer. So first of all, the first thing to notice is that it comes fully charged, which I think is awesome. These are kind of like both the modes, so like this is like the lowest intensity, you click it once again, higher intensity, lower intensity, and then you just hold it to turn it off. But the trimmer itself feels very high quality. It feels like you can do a lot with it. It has a little light right here to indicate and like kind of help you like trim wherever you want to trim. And if in case it's like a darker area, going to be easy, going to be do that and give you a little bit more. Makes that part a little bit easier. It comes with this little brush right here, so like to do like comes like with some oil right here and a brush that you can attach to the trimmer. Here's the spare blade right here. Comes with a USB to USB-C charger, and then a little instruction manual, kind of like a little, yeah, just an instruction manual, basically showing you what you can do with the trimmer and the possibilities of it, and just giving you some more general knowledge about this awesome trimmer. So yeah, if you're looking for a very high quality precision trimmer, I highly recommend picking this up. I mean, this basically got everything you could ask for. Like bang for your buck, it's amazing. You can use this trimmer for paws, ears, face, butt. You can use this for literally any part of the dog's body, and you can also use it for different animals according to this little piece right here. But yeah, I mean, just for a precision trimmer, if you're going to be grooming your dogs, you know, it's got everything that you need. It comes fully charged, IP68 waterproof, so don't worry about getting it wet. It comes with an instruction manual to give you some more knowledge of how to use it. You know, it comes with a charger cable. This is basically everything you need for an awesome precision trimmer. But yeah, that's really my full review of this pet precision trimmer that I got recently on Amazon. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.